In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on sync in Google Chrome. Having your data synced across all your devices can greatly enhance your browsing experience by making your bookmarks, history, and settings available wherever you sign in. It's especially useful if you're someone who switches between devices, as it keeps everything seamless and up to date. Let's walk through the simple steps to set this up. First, ensure that you're on your desktop with Google Chrome open. Now, turn your attention to the top right corner of your Chrome browser window. Here, you'll see an icon that resembles either a silhouette or, if you've previously set it up, your profile picture. This is your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your central hub for all things related to your Google account within Chrome. Once you've clicked the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. You should see an option that says Turn on Sync. Click on this option. What this does is start the process of linking your browsing data with your Google account. Now, to enable sync, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. A prompt will ask for your Google account email and password. As you enter these details, ensure that they are correct to avoid any login issues. Remember, your Google account credentials are the same ones you use for services like Gmail or Google Drive, so use those here. Once you've successfully signed in, a confirmation box will appear. This box is essential as it's Chrome's way of making sure that you genuinely want to proceed with syncing. If you're comfortable with syncing your data and wish to continue, you'll need to confirm your decision. Simply click on Yes, I'm in. By doing so, you're finalizing the synchronization of your Chrome settings, bookmarks, history, and more with your Google account. If everything has gone smoothly, your sync should now be enabled. From this point on, any changes you make to your browser settings, bookmarks, or other personalizations in Chrome will be updated across all devices where you're signed into Chrome. This means if you add a bookmark on your laptop, it will appear on your phone or tablet as well. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on sync in Google Chrome, making your browsing experience more cohesive and accessible wherever you go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're always here to support your tech journey. Thanks for watching, and have a great day browsing with synchronized ease.